Most people train their biceps and wonder why their forearms still look like breadsticks. But the truth is, you don't need a gym or fancy barbells to build thick, massive forearms. You just need to target the muscles that control their size, and you can easily do it at home using a backpack, a water bottle, or any heavy object. First, target the flexors on the underside of your forearm by performing wrist curls, resting your forearm on your thigh with your palm facing up and slowly curling the weight to build thickness and grip strength. Next, hit the extensors on the top side using reverse wrist curls by flipping your grip so your palm faces down, which will strengthen your wrists and keep your arms perfectly balanced. Finally, build serious width and roundness in your upper forearm by targeting the Brachioradialis muscle with hammer curls, keeping your palms facing each other and curling steadily without swinging your elbows. To maximize your results without wrecking your recovery, train your forearms only twice a week, aiming for 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps for both wrist curl variations and 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps for the hammer curls. Progressive overload is key, so make sure to increase the weight over time, stop hiding your forearms in long sleeves, and start building.